According to the 2023 National Electrical Code, it is not permissible to downsize the neutral conductor in a typical 120/240 volt 3-wire service installation. The neutral conductor must be the same size or larger than either hot conductor. This is detailed in NEC section 250.24b. However, in previous editions of the NEC prior to 2023, downsizing the neutral conductor was allowed under certain specific conditions. Specifically, in the 2017 NEC and earlier editions, the neutral conductor could be reduced to 50% of a hot conductor size, but only if certain criteria were satisfied. Firstly, nonlinear loads, such as electronic devices and LED lighting, had to be present on the circuit. Secondly, the circuit needed to be unbalanced. And thirdly, the neutral current had to be less than or equal to 70% of the highest hot conductor current. The rationale behind the prohibition of downsizing the neutral conductor in the 2023 NEC stems from growing concerns about increased neutral current and potential safety hazards associated with modern electrical loads. The proliferation of nonlinear loads has led to a significant increase in harmonic currents within electrical systems. These harmonic currents can cause the neutral current to exceed the capacity of a downsized conductor, potentially resulting in overheating, insulation breakdown, and even electrical fires. To fully understand the implications of neutral conductor sizing, it's important to delve into the technical aspects of electrical systems, harmonic currents, and the role of the neutral conductor. In a balanced 120/240 volt 3-wire system, the neutral conductor theoretically carries little to no current when the loads on each of the hot legs are equal. However, in real-world scenarios, loads are rarely perfectly balanced, and the neutral conductor serves to carry the imbalance, preventing voltage fluctuations and ensuring proper operation of connected devices. The introduction of nonlinear loads complicates this picture significantly. Nonlinear loads draw current in abrupt pulses rather than a smooth sinusoidal waveform. This distorted current waveform introduces harmonic frequencies into the electrical system. Harmonics are multiples of the fundamental frequency, typically 60 Hz in North America. Odd-numbered harmonics, such as the 3rd, 5th, and 7th, are particularly problematic. These odd-numbered tripping harmonics, which are odd multiples of the 3rd harmonic like the 3rd, 9th, and 15th, do not cancel out in the neutral conductor as they would in a balanced three-phase system. Instead, they add up arithmetically, potentially causing the neutral current to exceed the current in the phase conductors. This phenomenon is especially pronounced in systems with a high proportion of single-phase nonlinear loads, such as office buildings with numerous computers and LED lighting installations. The increasing use of these types of loads has made it more likely for neutral currents to exceed the ampacity of a downsized neutral conductor, leading to the safety concerns that prompted the changes in the 2023 NEC. The NEC provides detailed guidelines for conductor sizing to ensure the safe and reliable operation of electrical systems. These guidelines take into account factors such as the ampacity of the conductor, the ambient temperature, and the number of conductors bundled together. The ampacity of a conductor is the maximum amount of current it can carry continuously without exceeding its temperature rating. The NEC provides tables such as NEC Table 310.15b16 that specify the ampacity of various conductor sizes based on their insulation type and temperature rating. When selecting a conductor size, it's crucial to consider the expected load current, the ambient temperature, and any applicable directing factors. Directing factors are applied when conductors are installed in conditions that reduce their ability to dissipate heat, such as when they are bundled together in a conduit or installed in a hot environment. The NEC specifies directing factors for various installation conditions in NEC section 310.15. In the case of neutral conductors, the NEC previously allowed for a reduction in size under certain conditions, but this was based on the assumption that the neutral current would be relatively low in a balanced system. However, the increasing prevalence of harmonic currents has challenged this assumption and led to the prohibition of downsizing the neutral conductor in the 2023 NEC. To further illustrate the potential dangers of downsizing the neutral conductor, consider a scenario where a 120/240 volt 3-wire service supplies power to an office building with a large number of computers and LED lighting fixtures. The hot conductors are sized at 2/0 AWG copper, which has an ampacity of 175 amps at 75 degrees Celsius according to NEC Table 310.15b16. Prior to the 2023 NEC, it might have been permissible to downsize the neutral conductor to 1/0 AWG copper, which has an ampacity of 150 amps at 75 degrees Celsius, assuming that the conditions for downsizing were met. However, with a high proportion of nonlinear loads in the office building, the harmonic currents could cause the neutral current to exceed 150 amps, even if the loads on the hot legs are relatively balanced. This could lead to overheating of the neutral conductor, potentially causing the insulation to melt and creating a fire hazard. In addition to the safety concerns, overheating of the neutral conductor can also lead to voltage distortions and equipment malfunctions. The voltage drop across the neutral conductor is proportional to the current flowing through it and its impedance. If the neutral conductor is undersized and carrying excessive current, the voltage drop can become significant, causing voltage fluctuations at the connected equipment. These voltage fluctuations can cause sensitive electronic equipment to malfunction or even be damaged. The prohibition against downsizing the neutral conductor in the 2023 NEC is a significant change that reflects the evolving nature of electrical loads and the increasing importance of electrical safety. While it may seem like a minor change, it has far-reaching implications for the design and installation of electrical systems. Electrical contractors and engineers must now ensure that the neutral conductor is always sized the same as or larger than the hot conductors in a 120/240 volt 3-wire service, regardless of the load characteristics. This change will help to prevent overheating, insulation breakdown, and electrical fires, ensuring the safe and reliable operation of electrical systems. It is also important to note that the NEC is not the only standard that addresses neutral conductor sizing. Other standards, such as the IEE 519 standard for harmonic control in electrical power systems, also provide guidance on this topic. The IEE 519 standard recommends limiting the total harmonic distortion of the current to no more than 5% at the point of common coupling. This can be achieved through the use of harmonic filters or by oversizing the neutral conductor. In addition to the NEC and IEE standards, local codes and regulations may also have specific requirements for neutral conductor sizing. It is important to consult with the local electrical inspector to ensure that all applicable codes and regulations are followed. The NEC is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advances in electrical technology and safety practices. It is important for electrical contractors and engineers to stay up to date with the latest edition of the NEC to ensure that they are following the most current and effective safety standards. The NEC is a complex and comprehensive document, but it is essential for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of electrical systems. By understanding the NEC requirements for neutral conductor sizing and other aspects of electrical design and installation, electrical professionals can help to protect people and property from the hazards of electricity. In summary, the 2023 NEC prohibits downsizing the neutral conductor in a typical 120/240 volt 3-wire service installation. This change was implemented due to concerns about increased neutral current and potential safety hazards associated with nonlinear loads. While previous editions of the NEC allowed for downsizing the neutral conductor under certain conditions, the increasing prevalence of harmonic currents has made this practice unsafe. Electrical contractors and engineers must now ensure that the neutral conductor is always sized the same as or larger than the hot conductors in a 120/240 volt 3-wire service, regardless of the load characteristics. This change will help to prevent overheating, insulation breakdown, and electrical fires, ensuring the safe and reliable operation of electrical systems. It is also important to consult with other standards, such as the IEE 519 standard and local codes and regulations, to ensure that all applicable requirements are followed. Staying up to date with the latest edition of the NEC is essential for all electrical professionals. The increase in nonlinear loads on electrical systems have necessitated this change to protect against increased neutral currents. It is not permissible to downsize the neutral conductor any longer. The neutral conductor must be the same size or larger than either hot conductor. This is NEC section 250.24b.